Hey everyone, this is Mammoth Tusk Rock, I believe it's called. We're basically at the Three Corners region between New Mexico, Texas, and Mexico. So just outside of El Paso. Alter your pH, your body chemistry, based on how you breathe. The two mechanisms to change the pH is your breathing, your eating, but breathing is very immediate. So one of the effects of, let's say, not breathing enough is you'll need to urinate, because urine is mostly uric acid, and that is a way for your kidneys to balance your pH. You don't breathe enough, your body acidifies, and so then your kidneys produce uric acid, and you can, let's say, in my case, I drive across the country. Sometimes I have a long way to go before the next gas station and I can go to the bathroom. And so to uptake that uric acid, you can just hyperventilate, which is to say just breathe a little bit more than your minute volume, whatever your normal volume of air that you take in a minute. A little bit more than that is hyperventilating. You do that 10, 20 breaths and notice that you will lose the urge to pee. So just a kind of an interesting fact. And I do a lot of videos like this on my silent flute program, so go check that out on nightlimp.com and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you the next time. Namaste.